Hey, good day. I'm Blair, your science teacher. Today in Linux app, we're gonna take a look into this Handbrake, which is the video or file converter. Actually, one of my friend asked me how to squeeze a little bit like the file, which is so huge that he need to shrunk it like into a mini file. I recommend a Handbrake app, which is a Linux app. The Handbrake Linux application is actually a cross-platform, which is you can use it in your native Linux, but also at the same time on your Mac and Windows. So this file converter converts into these small chunks of video, which is instead of like a huge file, it compresses a little bit, but not to sacrifice the quality of the audio and the video. So we gotta take a look into this application and see how it is good in compared to other cross-platform file converters. This is Linux app. So Handbrake is available on your local repository on your any of your Linux operating system. It's either on the FlatHub or in the local repository of your operating system. So let's go to the website first. So right now we are now in our Handbrake video converter. So we have available for our Mac OS, for your Unix, and of course we also have the Windows. In Linux we have the Flatpak installer. It is available on the flathub.org or in your official local repository of your operating system. So let's go to the Big Store, which is I'm using Big Linux OS. You can use via the categories right here, or you can use via the search bar for browsing the application. So if you go to the multimedia and then look for the video converter, video editor and compressor, so you can see the Handbrake right here. And of course I already installed it on my computer right now. So the reason why we love Handbrake is to convert file nearly any format, and it is free and open source. At the same time it is multi-platform, which you can use in Mac, Linux and Windows. So you have all the information right here and a screenshot. So let's open this one. Okay, so based on this, either you can drag and drop any file that you want or just convert it, right? So how about if you want the easiest way, like just close this one, let's start all over again. I have different types of files right here. A version MKV. I have this 36 minutes. Let's convert this video 117.2 megabytes file. So let's try to squeeze everything into a very small chunk. Okay, let's right click that one and then go to open with and go to the Handbrake, and it will open for you. So you have this, right? So as you can see, you have all the details right here. And then if you want to set into a email, so you can click this one as a preset. Preset.1 web email. Like if you want to just cut it like 3 minutes with 720p. So how do you convert it? So just click right here on the left upper, which is named the start encoding, and then you just click it. Then right here on the bottom left, you have the estimation of how many percent it is converting, and it says that we have approximately, or the ETA, or estimated time of arrival, of 13 minutes to encode everything, and it is right now with around 3%. So we will just wait for this one to finish everything, and we will get back as soon as we finish this. We will just gonna speed this a little bit faster so that it will not be bored for you. So anyway, you have this website. Don't forget to download this through their official website, and don't go to any shady website, okay? Especially with the sketchy things, like it is like something weird, something else, like asking for money, asking for you to download, then they will collect your information. This is an open source. It is free and absolutely open to all platforms. We have the Windows, Mac, and Linux. So feel free to download this via handbrake.fr. Now we are now in 17%. It's about 11 minutes from now. So let's wait for that one, and then try to see how much it dropped from the current, which is about like 117.2 megabytes. So it also tried to save under the default folder, which is the videos, and my source is actually on my home, which is not inside our video, but it is in our home directory. So there's no conflict on that one. And let's see, because this is actually an MKV file, and we save this one as an MP4 file. So let's gonna wait for a little bit longer. So everything is done right now. So let's try to close this one and go to the folder, which is on our video folder. So let's close, and then let's open this one, open, and then there you have it. It is now just only at how much? It is only 63.8 megabytes compared to the original, which is about 117.2 megabytes. So that is very awesome that we have this very small chunk of video. Let's play this one and compare. This is gonna be our comparison. Let's go to the original first. Start recording. Yes, start recording. Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to another OS. Today we're gonna take a look into Tumbleweed, the K. Okay, so there you have it. That is the video. So let's go to the compressed video. Start recording. Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to another OS. Today we're gonna take a look into Tumbleweed, the KDE Plasma. So there you have it. Very little compression, as you can see right here. It is a little bit blurry, but on the original you can see this is also a little bit like compressed, but it is a little bit only. So the version, which is the original versus the compressed, is a little bit like very low. So that is why it is very important to support your open source application. So anyway, let's close this one. So Handbrake is also ideal to use to save space, especially in storing archives video files, by compressing the video without losing the quality too much. And I hope this video will help you in compressing your video files not only in Linux but also in Mac and Microsoft operating system. This is why open source projects are very important, as well as it is a multi-platform and it is available in Windows, Mac and Linux. If you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. Give us a like, give a thumbs up, and share this video to help others too, to help them at the same time. Spread the word that Linux apps are awesome and easy, secure and reliable. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Handbrake Linux application. This is actually very useful, especially this is a Linux application which is free and it is open source. It is not like, you know, the commercial ones. This is available on their website, the official website. Don't go to any website, okay? I know you're really eager to download this one to convert your files into small chunks of file. It is powerful. At the same time, it is most commonly used a cross-platform Linux application that is available in Mac and Windows, which is converts your digital video file into a small size video. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this Linux app. Well, Linux is always free and open source. That's why we created the GitHub. Aha! You say Windows owns Git? Yes, Windows actually bought GitHub in Linux. There you have it. I said it right. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like if you like this video. And I hope to see you soon in the next episode of Linux App right here on Science is Cool. Bye for now and see you in the next episode. I'm Blair. Bye.